guys, Zoe from Xtend Outdoors here, and today we're going to be showing you how to use your curved roof rafter. So straight out of the bag you'll have these two pieces here. The first piece has a hook on the end which attaches to a bracket on your van. The second piece has a spigot which attaches to your awning barrel. To connect the two poles, you firstly want to make sure that the curves are matching up with each other. You then want to grab your spigot pole and unscrew it, making sure that the metal piece inside is flush. Then grab your hook pole, just double check that the curves are matching up again and slide them into each other. Tighten the screw on the bottom here. So once you've connected your two poles together, you then want to take your hook end and attach it to the bracket on your van. Then come over to the spigot side end, undo the knob until you can extend the bar out to fit your awning. Tighten it back up again, and then you're done.